Add an optional pre-panning to the rough opening sill. Install an optional filler piece to make up the offset between the blackout panel and the front edge of the sill slope. Temporarily place the high-performance sill component next to the opening. Locate the sill 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the rough opening jamb. Mark the sills beside the installation holes. This will help you locate the counter shims later. Set the sill slope in the slot at the desired location. Using the pre-drilled holes in the sill slope as a guide, drill through both walls of the sill slope and into the subsill. Blow out any debris left after drilling into the subsill. Inject the pre-drilled holes with sealant. Set the sill slope in the slot and fasten into the rough opening sill with a minimum number 8 by 2 1/2 inch panhead screw. Install a panning. The panning must have a minimum of a 4-inch end dam on all sides of the pocket. The rear leg of panning must be as high as the interior sill liner. Install the counter shims. If you have an odd number of sill tracks, you will need to break off the exterior end of the counter shim at the break line. Check the sill for level. If necessary, use adhesive back shims to bring the counter shims to level. After you have set the frame into the opening, plumb and square, pre-drill through the fastener holes. Blow the debris out of the fastener holes. Inject sealant into the fastener holes. Fasten the sill to the sill slope with the screws found in the bag marked with the green dot. Install the sill nosing. Insert the foot of the nosing into the groove at approximately 45-degree angle, then rotate the part down into place until the long leg of the nosing contacts the sill frame. Seal the vertical end of the nosing where it meets the pocket or the jamb, as well as the entire length of the nosing. Leave gaps at the sill weeps.